Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for some organization, then I want to show you these really beautiful baskets. These are from Sacyic, and this is a set of 4 large fabric storage baskets, and this is the gray and white color. I love these baskets. I think they are so beautiful. I love the gray and white fabric, really modern and clean looking. I love that it has these rope handles, which are very functional. They work really well, especially if you are putting this basket somewhere where you can slide it out. These are really nice to do that, but also just really great for carrying things around. So I was looking for baskets for organizing the little odds and ends that always find their way into our office. So these baskets are amazing. I can put all of my messy clutter items in them, slide them in, and they're out of sight, and it looks so much more clean and organized. You can see in the stitching and in the details that they are going to last. They're very durable. The fabric itself is very strong and is really going to hold up to whatever you put them through. For storage of sweaters and bulky clothing items, or small throw blankets, kids' toys, you could use it as a small laundry hamper. No matter where you put them, they are going to be not only really functional, but also really beautiful. I also love that there is a metal rim on the inside of this, so it really helps it to keep its shape and to be able to stand up on its own. Just makes it a lot easier to use. So if you're looking for some really sturdy canvas storage baskets, then I would definitely recommend these. I think they are a really high quality product, and they are really helping me to stay organized and clutter free. And that's my point of view.